Hey YouTube, yesterday one of my friends asked me if I know a way on how to achieve renders in Photoshop using anything else but the pen tool. So for me as a graphics designer, that was like basic knowledge. So in this video, just cause I'm a cool guy, I'm gonna be showing you two separate ways on how to achieve renders in Photoshop using anything else but the pen tool. So let's go ahead and get started. Now for the first technique, which is mostly known by all the Photoshop users, and that is based on using the quick selection tool. Now let me explain to you how this works. You can just increase the brush size, decrease the brush size depending on what you want, or you can just go here, increase it, decrease it, play around with the feather and options and so stuff, and it would mainly select all the areas you want to include in your render. If not, you just have to slide your mouse over holding the left mouse button, and if you mistakenly selected some parts that you don't want to include, you just have to hold the Alt key and do like you would select, but you're actually deselecting. If not, using the Alt key, you can just go over here to the deselection tool and do the same. Once you're done, you just have to go to the mask tool and hit it, and that's our result. It's looking pretty damn nice and cool, but if we get rid of the mask, you can see that it took almost all the details on our character's hair, and we actually don't want that. So we're gonna use a better tool or a better way to achieve better renders, and that is using my favorite tool, which is the magnetic lasso tool. So just have to set the frequency to 100 or yes, and you can just leave the contrast at 10% is okay. Yeah. Now let me explain to you how this works. I'm talking like my teacher, but unfortunately I don't study graphics design, so I don't know how graphics design teachers look like or do. So just have to left click once and then start moving around your mouse over the edges of your character or the thing that you wanna render out, and it would automatically define the edges for you. Else if it doesn't, we're gonna fix that using the mask tool just in a minute. And here you can see that I've missed some spots, and we're gonna fix that in just a moment. It doesn't take that long to render out, and it does it better than the quick selection tool, so that's why this is my favorite. It doesn't take that much, but yes, better results. That's what we were looking for. Once you're done, you just have to click on click on control, then enter. Oh my god, I forgot it. Stupid me. Now go to the mask tool, and let's try to recover this. Make sure your brush tool is set to pure white 6Fs like your loser, and make sure you're on the mask, layer mask, and using the brush tool you can just start to recover. And let's do the same for the arms. And if you don't know how to hover like this in your Photoshop, you just have to hold down your space and left mouse button, and that's how you would do it in normal life. silly me. And yes, do the same for the top edges. And as you can see, it gave us better results, better than the quick selection tool. Now, if you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment if you're nice, or else go to hell, man. This helps a lot, and this is just basic knowledge for you. So, see you guys in the next video, and as the usual, you can always suggest tutorials. Just leave in a comment or contacting me at graphicstation2015@gmail.com. See you guys later. Peace.